Hey friends, real quick, just checking out these AERO drums. These are PocketDrum 2 Plus. Comes with a couple drumsticks here, a little thing that you plug into your amp. You can always use this plug into your computer, or has an app that you can just play with on the thing there. Has a couple of foot pedals also, so you can do bass drum or the hi-hat. Anyways, let's do a little tune here. Just to get these things synced, you just put them at like a 45-degree angle, press the power buttons, and that should get you all nice and situated where you want. You got your hi-hat, or your snare drum here in the middle, and then you got a lower drum up here. A bit higher here, you got your little snare, or what's this little guy up here called? To sync them, just hold them together and push the power buttons. Should have a cymbal over here. Drum here, but these things are a ton of fun. They're actually really quite accurate, and the harder you hit, the louder it is, or softer, depending on what you do. I do a loud cymbal or just a gentle one. Anyways, these things are just a ton of fun. They're really cool to play with. If you're actually a decent drummer, I can make this work a lot better. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.